Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from ZTE Blade A32. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. And allow permission to the files. Now click on the plus and choose Start Separate Document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. Oh, I don't have any photo, so we can take it. Okay, now we can add a shape to the document or the picture, and if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose secondary from the list, and to send this message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.